Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, here for another the McJuggernuggets videos we're reviewing. Today's the one where the father splits the computer, which is another classic video. Getting ready for that right now.
Hold on, park the car. Hold on, stop the fucking car. Stop the fucking car. Holy shit, holy shit. Here, take this shit. Here, take this.
Your father chucking stuff outside until you left him gone for a week.
What the hell is going on? Are you filming this shit? He just started doing this?
No, man. Come on, Jesse.
Dad, come on now. She's just trying. She got all her stuff last night. This doesn't help anything.
Dude, you should probably just go.
Doesn't help what? What? So you can fucking film this shit?
Yeah, because I was over there earlier. And
what are you gonna upload this on your channel?
Jesse, calm down. You're gonna put it on the channel.
Fuck, dude.
Just pick up the stuff and bring it to your mother. Don't be such a jerk.
Dad.
Dude, just go.
Look at the brother hiding in the bushes with a sweatshirt and hood on.
I gotta call mom. This is fucking bullshit.
Good job filming. You everything, Jesse.
Did you not?
Jesse breaks the computer. That's amazing. Look at Jeff sprinting over.
Oh, shit. Dad, she said she needed that. Yeah, she got it.
He took the monitor and just smashed it.
She said she needed that. That was
She knows
personal
information.
information and shit.
Come on, Dave. Come on.
Come on. Dad, please.
Tara.
If you do this, Dad, there's no going back. Get out.
There's no going. He's so mad and drunk right now.
Dad, are you gonna help me? What do you want me to do?
Look at Jesse trying to take it. Yeah, like you can handle your father. Your father can beat the crap. Yeah, get away his way. You can't stop you, Dad. He can beat the crap out of you, Jesse.
What the fuck are you doing?
You know his old age.
You want to get involved with what does this do? What is this gonna do? This isn't gonna get her back. You know that, right? This is gonna change.
Yeah. Stay out of it, Jesse. You're causing the problems. You're the one that broke this relationship, punk.
It's gonna affect me. It's gonna affect you.
Stay out of it, jerk.
Stay out of it. I mean, I would if you weren't
Stupid.
doing stupid shit like this. Half the shit's mine. No, I know, but
Half
this
is mine.
doesn't
Here we go.
help me. This is the reason she...
You got the computer and the wood chipper here.
Dad, come on now. Dad.
This is gonna be amazing. They get so much money out of this. It's not even funny. They're making nonsense videos like this. Can't how rich this kid is. Here we go. This one, Jesse crying about it. It's so funny. Like smashing that computer right now with the wood chipper. Oh, it's been destroyed. Look at it. It's like in pieces. What do you mean she needed it?
We sell t-shirts.
I think she could save hard drive after this.
We've had that.
A 20-year-old computer. How does it even work? Yeah, go take it to her, you punk.
This is no, this is bullshit.
It's bullshit. It certainly is. Something that you caused. These videos are a bunch of nonsense.
Trying to help, and you just heard everything.
Yeah, stop running your mouth, you little kid, whiny kid. Jesse, you did the damage. It's a big deal.
And why the fuck are you filming? Do you not
Is
care?
Corn filming
We
too?
just had this
Huh?
conversation. Right?
Hey,
Hey, Jesse, it's your channel. It's what you want.
What you wanted.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you think you
Of course
can
he can film
Dad
it.
doing shit?
Yeah, he is.
What are you gonna have?
It's
your own
extra
fucking
money.
psycho shit?
Double the money.
Well, yeah.
Fuck, dude. Corn, we gotta fucking go tell my mom about this shit. She's be so fucking pissed. I hope you feel okay with
Of course he does. Look, you're not even so mean. You don't even pick up her stuff. You just go. In the meantime, Jeffrey saved all the stuff.
You help. Whose case?
I have a record now.
What do you mean you have a record? You have a record of what happened?
Divorce
A rec-
proceedings like this one.
This record of what happened wouldn't have fucking happened if you
We
had
should went to a
tried
fake
stop
judge and
it
talked
instead
about
of
this.
filming it.
I got close to him, and he fucking flipped out. Why the fuck do you think I was
I
behind that
didn't know.
door?
I didn't mean
I
it.
didn't know that. All I know is I
told
came
you
up.
to get out. But then you walked up, and then he fucking started destroying a fucking
Come on, you
computer.
gotta fucking drive.
Jesse caused trouble. Switching to Corn's car.
Fuck you, dude. When I said you needed more videos on your channel, I didn't mean to fucking record Dad doing shit.
Well, there you go. How about this? Psycho Dad destroys computer monitor. Or no, Psycho Dad destroys computer.
Get the fuck out of here, dude.
Destroys computer.
Shit.
Hey, Jesse, it's all you.
Fucking asshole.
He does
He
care.
doesn't fucking care.
He's the one who picks up all the stuff and takes it to the
Like,
mom.
he's just doing all this
You're
shit.
the
He's
one
just
that just
filming.
left stuff.
At least tried to stop it.
It's not nothing. You don't want to cause more trouble. You got there. He got angry.
Just pull around here. Just drive around that shit. What the fuck? My mom's gonna be so pissed off. Look at him, and he's filming it. He's filming the fucking aftermath. Like
He's
it's
not
some
filming. He's picking it up.
fucking
Seeing it,
joke.
you dope. We'll be back with some more videos soon here. Thank you for checking out the Psycho Dad series videos. Have a good night, everybody.
And he was trying to put it out. He's
All
trying
right,
to put
Jess.
it
You
on
gotta
me.
be, all right. We'll be back with some more videos shortly. Have a good night. Take care.